guys, today I'm gonna teach you a cha-cha routine I did on TikTok. So we're gonna start with a booty shake. So go booty shake for 1-8. So the key to the booty shake is to quickly, very, very fast, to move your feet on the floor. So it's very, 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 very fast. Like your voice is going even to vibrate if you talk. So it's very, very fast action, and basically you have to just relax your booty and it will naturally shake. Also, the key is to put your upper body a little bit forward. So like this, your butt stick out and you create a very cool booty shake. After the booty shake, we're gonna go forward walk on 1, then check ronde. So go 2, ronde 3, 4, and 1. And then we quickly gonna do kick, cross back, feet together, forward, kick, cross back, together, forward. Again, kick, cross back, together, forward, kick, cross back, together, forward. When you do it very fast, make sure you do very fast and small steps, because the key is not to create a lot of amplitude, but create a percussion and speed. So when I kick, it's very compact. When I step, it's very small and compact. Here. And we go 4 of this. So go and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Then we go 2, 3. So basically I go roll in my hip action, roll, sit. And then you can add on top of it, if you have a little flexibility, the hip up. So go roll, hip up, roll, hip up, roll, hip up. So how we can do it again? So you go semicircle and then lift your hip. Semicircle, lift your hip. We're going to do 4 of this. Step and go, step and go, step and go, step and go. And let's do it all together. We start with the booty shake. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, and 4 and 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1.